The Air Jordan 1 Low OG Chicago is making its long-awaited return on November 15, 2025, priced at $140. Nearly a decade has passed since its last appearance in 2016, a time when pairs could still be found on shelves or even outlets, before Jordan 1 hype skyrocketed resale values into the thousands. This release is expected to remain true to its original red, black, and summit white color blocking, opting for a faithful retro over any reimagined twists. Both a nod to heritage and a response to modern demand, it rekindles nostalgia for loyal fans while drawing in a new wave of sneaker enthusiasts. Positioned as a highlight of fall 2025, the drop reflects Jordan Brand's commitment to preserving sneaker history. Some silhouettes don't need drastic reinvention, just the right timing to remind the culture of their legendary status. This is one such moment.